The Chai app may display region-related errors if it is not officially available in your country or if access is restricted by local servers. This tutorial outlines several methods to resolve the issue, ranging from VPN usage to clearing app data and updating the application. Method 1. Use a VPN. Install a VPN app on your device and connect to a server location such as the USA, UK, or Canada. After connecting, open the Chai app again. It is recommended to clear the app data before reopening it for the best results. Method 2. Clear app, cache, and data. On Android, go to Settings, Open Apps, select Chai, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iPhone, delete the app and reinstall it, as iOS does not offer a manual cache clearing option for individual apps. Method 3. Install the latest version. Old versions of Chai are often region blocked. Download and install the newest version of the app from an official source. Updating may resolve region restrictions that have been addressed in newer releases. Method 4. Change App Store region. If the app is not available in your local app store, switch your store country to the USA or UK. After changing the region, reinstall the Chai app. Method 5. Try a different network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Some internet service providers impose restrictions that can cause region errors. Changing networks may bypass these restrictions. Method 6. Create a new account. If your existing account appears to be unlocked, create a new account using a new email address while connected to a VPN. Some accounts may be permanently locked to a specific region. If nothing works, if none of the above methods resolve the issue, the app may be officially restricted in your country, or its servers may be temporarily blocking access from your region. In that case, using a VPN remains the most reliable solution. Conclusion. Fixing the Chai region problem involves using a VPN, clearing app cache and data, updating to the latest version, changing App Store region, switching networks, or creating a new account. If all else fails, the app may be permanently restricted, leaving VPN usage as the primary working method.